last lecture we completed the first two topics, that is the fertility and breeding efficiency, second sterility, definitions and the causes of the sterility. Today we start the third topic, that is selection of animals. Selection of animals. So selections, what is meant by the selections? So the selections can be defined as the process in which the certain individuals, selections is defined as the process in which the certain individuals in the populations, so is the number of the animals. These selections can be defined as the process in which the certain individuals in a populations are preferred over others for producing offspring for the next generations. So the selections can be defined as the process in which the certain individuals in the populations are prepared over others for producing for next generations. So these selections cannot create the new genes. So these selections, suppose the animals are selected, so these the selections cannot create the new genes, but it only increase the frequency of desirable genes. So it only increase the frequency of the desirable genes. So the selection is the tool in the hands of the breeders to improve the performance of the animal. So these selections only the tools in the farms of the farmers for improving the performance of the animals. So selection is most important for the farmers. So there are commonly the three methods of the selections. There are three methods of selections. So the methods. So the first is the individual selection, second pedigree selections, and third progeny testings. So these are commonly the three methods of the selection of animals, that is individual selections, second pedigree selections, and the third is the progeny testings. So the first is the individual selections. First is the individual selection. So these individual selections means the selection of individuals on the basis of their phenotypic character. So these are the selections selection means the selections of individuals on the basis of the phenotypic characters. What is phenotypic? There is the external characters. So with the help of the phenotypics, the animals are selected. So these individuals mean the selections of individuals on the basis of their phenotypic characters. So this individual selection is the most commonly used basis for improvements of livestock. So this is the commonly used for the selections of animals. So its accuracy of the individual selections depends on the hereditary of the traits. So the accuracy depends upon the heritability of the trait. Traits means there is the characters. So the accuracy is depends upon the heritability of the traits. So the characters like the body types, then the growth rates are evaluated directly from the individuals of the animal performance. So the body types and the growth rates can be evaluated directly from the individuals for the animal performance. So the individual selections mean the selections of animals on the basis of their phenotypic characters, and that's why the individual selections. So what is the advantages of individual selections? So the advantages of individual selections. So the first advantage of so it is the most common methods. It is the most common and easy methods of selection of animals. So it is the most accurate. Is the most accurate and easy methods of selection of animals. So this methods is effective. This individual selections is effective when the heritability of trait is high. So this method is effective when heritability of the trait is high. Third advantage is the generation interval. So the generation interval is selected animals is very short. So the third is the generation interval. In selected animals is very short. Fourth advantage of the individual selections, the selections can be done on the farm level. So these selections of animals can be done on the farm levels under normal managemental conditions. So under farm levels, these selections can be done. So the advantages of the individual. So first is the most accurate and easy methods. It is effective when heritability of trait is the high. If the generation interval of the selected animals is short, and these methods can be used selection on the farm level under normal managemental conditions. So the individuals means so what is the disadvantages of these individual selections? Advantages. So the disadvantage is the accuracy becomes low. So the accuracy becomes low when the heritability is low. So the first the accuracy of the method is low when the heritability of the trait is low. Then the accuracy is also reduced. The second disadvantage of these phenotypic characters. The phenotypic characters or the phenotypics are not available for one sex in sex limited traits. So the second, the phenotypics are not available for one sex in sex limited traits such as the milk productions and the egg production. So the second disadvantage is the phenotypics is not available in by the one sex in the sex limited traits such as milk productions and the egg production. So the third disadvantage of this method is the selections of this method. So it is difficult to make selection for trait which are not expressed until maturity. So the third is the selections of it is difficult to make the selections for traits which are not expressed until maturity. So this is the second. These are the disadvantages of the individual selections. So the first is the individual selections. The second method is the pedigree selections. Pedigree selections. So the pedigree selections we can discuss in the next lectures.